ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਯੋਰ ਵੋਟ ਯੋਰ ਚੋਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਰਡਨ ਵੌਜ਼ਵੈਲ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਤੋਂ NDP ਦੇ ਉਮੀਦਵਾਰ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਲੋਕਲ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੁਝ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਜਾਰਡਨ, climate change is very an issue very close to Jagmeet, very close to the NDP as a party. So what do you have to say about that at this time when whole world is talking about climate change, what kind of measures we need in this country?
Sure, I think a lot of people have climate change at the top of their mind, and I think it's been inspiring to see a lot of young people kind of leading that fight, but it's become an issue of today. I think we used to talk about climate change as something that will affect future generations, but when we look around the world, it's something that's impacting us each and every day. And it's something that Jagmeet Singh and the NDP are taking seriously. The Liberals and the Prime Minister have called himself a climate leader, but we haven't seen the action to back that up. They bought a pipeline, they're continuing to subsidize the fossil fuel industry. We think that climate leaders should be acting differently, and I think Canadians expect more of that. So we have a plan to invest in green technology to create 300,000 new jobs across Canada, and to get into a future where we're less reliant on fossil fuels and other forms of industry. But I think what's unique about our plan and what's so special about our plan is it's a more holistic approach where we're going to tackle climate change but also create those jobs. There's a lot of people that are going to be affected when we move into a green economy, and we can't let them get left behind. We can't leave them behind. We're a party that respects workers, that supports workers, and our plan will do that while also tackling the problem of climate change.
Okay, Green Party is also talking about climate change. Sure. So what is the difference between then approach of NDP and Green Party?
Well, I think as I said, the Green Party has a very narrow scope in their plan. I think on the issue of the environment, our plan is quite similar to the Greens, very aggressive targets to reduce carbon emissions. But ours goes a step further and protects those jobs. The Green Party is very narrow in their focus, and I think and I fear that a lot of workers will be left behind. We have a plan that will invest in that training to give them those good jobs that they have and make sure that they're supported.
Okay, Jagmeet Singh is traveling all over the country. Yeah. He had made good announcements so far. Any those issues which you want to share with us that they're on the top of his mind, top on the agenda for NDP?
Sure. So I think if we look right here in Brampton, his announcement on day 2 of the campaign to fund a second hospital in our city. As somebody that has lived here their whole life, born and raised here at Peel Memorial, it's to me a disappointment that a city as large as ours has just the one full hospital. Almost 650,000, and like you said, one of the fastest growing in Canada. It's long overdue for us to have a second hospital, and I think the representation that we've had hasn't fought for that funding. I think it's very telling that Jagmeet was in Brampton on day 2 of the campaign. Out of anywhere across the country he could have been, he chose to come to our city because this is an issue that matters to him, and it's something that our representatives haven't raised. It's truly sad. We have a healthcare crisis in our city. I've certainly sat in waiting lines at Brampton Civic, as I know a lot of other people in our community has. And I think it's time that the government steps up and makes those investments.
Okay, so federal government has not made any announcement for university. Provincial government gave money,
sure,
but later on they withdraw that funds. So far we are not expecting any major grant from the federal government. So what will be the policies of NDP if you guys have this?
Well, that's exactly the problem. We've seen in Ontario the Conservatives cut services like healthcare and like the university, and at the federal level, the Liberals have neglected us. So that's what we get, a community like Brampton where you have Conservative cuts and Liberal neglect. New Democrats believe that as the 9th largest city in our country, Brampton deserves a bit more. That's why we're committed to funding for the university. We're committed to continued funding for infrastructure in our communities to make sure that Brampton doesn't get left behind. It's appalling, frankly, to see how the federal and provincial government have treated our city. As someone that is proud to call Brampton home, I think we can do a lot better, and that's something that the NDP, with the leadership of Jagmeet Singh, is committed to.